Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to show you different kind of Hagoromos. Okay, so this is one Hagoromo. This is still a baby. You can see the flowers, mashallah. So this is a normal Hagoromo upline. It's a 25 days old baby. Okay, this is the second Hagoromo. This is the white, called double factor. This is a white color, pure white Hagoromo. You can see the flowers. Okay guys, here you go with the normal Hagoromo. This is a very small baby. The size is still very small. So you can see this is a normal green color Hagoromo. Okay, this is another Hagoromo. This is Spangle. Okay, you can see the flowers. This is also a baby. The flowers are very good. Okay, this is our small baby. It's very young still. This is albino. It has a red eye. It also has flowers. Still very small. So these are all our parrots. Thank you.